Now, chapter 10.3, we are still talking about the customary system of measurement. Okay, we haven't even talked about the metric system yet, and we will, but not yet. We're still focusing on the customary system. And today we're talking about weight. So your learning goal is to be able to compare, contrast, and convert customary units of weight. What types of things have we talked about so far in math this week? Like what have we measured? Liam?
We measured units of the customary.
Customary units to measure what?
The customary system of capacity.
Capacity, which we said is volume, or how much space something takes up.
Length.
And length, which is the distance from one point to another point. Okay. Today we're going to be talking about the customary units of weight. Let's remind ourselves, what were some of the customary units of length that we talked about? Daniel? Inches? Feet? Yards and miles. Then we said for capacity, Siddharth, there is? Gallons. Quarts. Pints. Cups. And fluid ounces. My question to you is a fluid ounce the same thing as a normal ounce? No, and today we're going to discover what the difference is, okay? We will talk about the problem of the day in just a moment. Weight. What is weight? What do you guys think? When I say we're measuring weight, what are we measuring? Rashika?
I think we're measuring how big something is or how much it weighs.
Yeah, how big something is in terms of how much it weighs or how heavy something is, okay? And the customary units of weight that we can add to our 3-column chart are ounces, pounds, and tons. Okay? And so to your 3-column chart, I want you to add that to measure weight under the customary system. We have ounces, and the abbreviation for ounces is OZ. We have pounds, and it's kind of weird, but the abbreviation is LB. Okay? And then tons, and this is very important that it's a capital T. If you write a lowercase t, it would not mean tons. Okay, so go ahead and write that down. And then also write down these conversions. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces, and 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. You'll notice that the metric side of our chart is still empty because we haven't talked about metric stuff at all, but I promise you we will in the future. Okay, so looking at this chart, we can see the difference between fluid ounces and ounces is that fluid ounces, as Adam said, measures capacity or volume, whereas ounces measures weight. So could I measure the fluid ounces of this water bottle? Yeah, I'd be finding out how much space this water bottle takes up as it sits on Siddharth's desk. Could I also find out how much this weighs in ounces?
Yeah.
Yeah. Would that tell me how much space it's taking up? No, it would just tell me how heavy this water bottle is. It's quite heavy because it's still filled with water. Okay? Hector's school is having a model rocket contest. To be in the contest, the rocket must weigh 4 pounds or less. Okay? If it's any more heavy than 4 pounds, it's disqualified automatically. Okay? Now, without any paint, Hector's rocket already weighs 62 ounces. Okay? If Hector wants to paint his rocket, what is the weight of the most paint he can use? The first thing we have to figure out is, in this long word problem, what in the world is the question asking? What is the question asking? Joseph?
What is the weight of
Exactly. We're trying to figure out just how much paint Hector can use. What important information do we need in order to solve this problem? Ariel?
The rocket must weigh 4 pounds or less.
Okay.
And without any paint, Hector's rocket weighs 62 ounces.
Yeah, it already weighs 62 ounces. So what can we do in order to solve this problem? Harshita?
Well, what I did is not only know that 1 pound is 16 ounces, I did 62 divided by 16.
To find out how many pounds his rocket already weighs. So you did 62 divided by 16, right? Okay, so how many times does 16 go into 62, Harshita?
Well, it goes in 3 times.
What's 3 times 16?
48.
48, is that what you said? Okay. 62 minus 48 is?
14.
14. So, in pounds and ounces, how much does Hector's rocket weigh?
It weighs 3 pounds and 14 ounces.
Exactly, 3 pounds and 14 ounces. So how many more ounces of paint could he use?
Well, you could subtract 4 pounds from 314 ounces.
Okay. And what would you get as your answer? So if I have 3 pounds and 14 ounces worth of weight, how much more weight could I add before I get to 4 pounds? Sidar? 2 ounces. So what's the most amount of paint that Hector could use on his rocket? Rashika?
2 ounces.
2 ounces of paint, that's right. Okay, because you'll notice it can weigh 4 pounds or less. So if he adds exactly 2 ounces of paint, how much will his rocket weigh?
2
Exactly 4 pounds, yeah.